The world is full of beautiful places, but some places on Earth are so dangerous that visiting them could cost you your life. From islands covered with deadly swakes to roads where one small mistake can send a vehicle falling thousands of feet, and even a tropical paradise that still carries the scars of nuclear explosions. These are places where nature shows its most extreme and terrifying side. Today, we will explore 10 of the most dangerous places on Earth. Some of these locations are so deadly that governments have banned people from visiting them. Others look peaceful and beautiful, but hide dangers that few people truly understand. This is World Uncovered. Let's begin. Number 10. Snake Island, Brazil. Just off the coast of Brazil lies a small and mysterious island called Ilha de Caimagada Grande. Most people know it as Snake Island. At first glance, it looks like a peaceful tropical island surrounded by blue ocean water, but the truth is far more terrifying. This island is home to thousands of venomous snakes, known as the golden lancehead. These snakes are among the most dangerous in the world. Their venom is extremely powerful and can destroy human tissue and cause death in a very short time. Scientists believe that in some areas of the island, there may be one snake for every square meter. Imagine walking just a few steps and being surrounded by dozens of deadly snakes. Because of the extreme danger, the Brazilian government has banned visitors from entering the island. Only a few trained scientists are allowed to visit under strict supervision. For everyone else, Snake Island remains completely forbidden. Number 9. Death Valley, United States. Located in California, Death Valley is known as the hottest place on Earth. In 1913, the temperature here reached an incredible 56.7 degrees Celsius. During the summer, the ground becomes so hot that it can burn skin. The intense heat can quickly cause dehydration and heat stroke. Without enough water, a person can collapse within minutes. Even modern vehicles can struggle to survive the extreme temperatures here. Despite these dangers, tourists still travel to Death Valley to witness its strange and beautiful desert landscape. But survival in this environment requires careful preparation. Number 8. Lake Natron, Tanzania. Lake Natron in Tanzania is one of the strangest lakes on our planet. From a distance, the lake appears calm and beautiful, but the water here is extremely alkaline. It contains large amounts of natural chemicals that make the water highly corrosive. This environment can burn the skin and eyes of animals and humans. In some cases, birds and small animals that fall into the lake become preserved in a hardened, stone-like condition. The lake often appears red or pink because of special microorganisms that survive in its harsh conditions. Even though flamingos nest nearby, most other animals avoid the lake completely. Lake Natron may look peaceful, but it hides a dangerous chemical environment. Number 7. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. The Danakil Depression is one of the most extreme environments anywhere on Earth. Located in Ethiopia, this region is filled with active volcanoes, boiling hot springs, and toxic gases rising from the ground. Temperatures here frequently rise above 45 degrees Celsius. The landscape looks almost alien. Bright yellow sulfur fields, green acid pools, and steaming vents cover the ground. Scientists often study this region because of its extreme conditions may resemble environments found on other planets. But for humans, survival here is extremely difficult. The combination of heat, poisonous gases, and unstable ground makes the Danakil Depression one of the most dangerous places to visit. Number 6. Mount Washington, United States. Mount Washington may not be the tallest mountain in the world, but it is famous for having some of the most dangerous weather. Located in New Hampshire, this mountain has recorded one of the highest wind speeds ever measured on Earth. In 1934, winds reached an incredible 372 kilometers per hour. Storms here can appear suddenly and without warning. Blinding snow, freezing temperatures, and violent winds make the mountain extremely dangerous for climbers. Even experienced hikers have been caught off guard by the unpredictable weather. Mount Washington proves that even smaller mountains can be incredibly deadly. Number 5. Madidi National Park, Bolivia. Madidi National Park in Bolivia is one of the most biologically diverse places on Earth. This rainforest is filled with thousands of species of animals and plants, but this incredible biodiversity also means danger. Poisonous insects, venomous snakes, and toxic plants exist throughout the jungle. Some plants can cause severe skin reactions with just a simple touch. Even small insects may carry dangerous diseases. The thick jungle also makes it easy to become lost. Once someone loses their way inside the rainforest, survival becomes extremely difficult. Madidi is beautiful, but it is also one of the most dangerous jungles on Earth. Number 4. Oymyakon, Russia. Oymyakon is a small village located deep in Siberia. It is known as the coldest permanently inhabited place on Earth. Temperatures here have dropped below -60 degrees Celsius. At such extreme cold, exposed skin can freeze within seconds. Breathing the icy air can even cause pain in the lungs. Cars must often run continuously so their engines do not freeze. Despite these harsh conditions, people still live and work here every day. Life in Oymyakon is a constant struggle against one of nature's most powerful forces, extreme cold. Number 3. North Sentinel Island, India. North Sentinel Island is located in the Andaman Islands in the Indian Ocean. The island is home to one of the most isolated tribes on Earth. The Sentinelese people have lived here for thousands of years, with almost no contact with the outside world. They protect their island fiercely. Anyone who attempts to approach the island is usually met with arrows and spears. Because of this, the Indian government has made it illegal for outsiders to visit the island. This rule protects both visitors and the tribe itself. North Sentinel Island remains one of the most mysterious and isolated places on Earth. Number 2. Death Road, Bolivia. The north youngest road in Bolivia is widely known as Death Road. For many years, it was considered the most dangerous road in the world. The road winds along steep mountain cliffs with almost no safety barriers. In many places, it's barely wide enough for 2 vehicles to pass. Thick fog, heavy rain, and falling rocks make the journey even more dangerous. In the past, hundreds of people died on this road every year. Today, a newer highway has replaced much of the traffic. However, adventurous cyclists still travel the old road for the thrill of riding along the edge of the mountains. One small mistake here can be fatal. Number 1. Bikini Atoll, Marshall Islands. Bikini Atoll looks like a tropical paradise in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Crystal clear water surrounds a ring of beautiful islands and coral reefs. But beneath this beauty lies a dark history. Between 1946 and 1958, the United States conducted 23 nuclear weapon tests here. These explosions were powerful enough to change the environment forever. The local population was forced to leave their homes and relocate. Radiation from the tests contaminated the land and the surrounding area. Even today, many parts of Bikini Atoll remain unsafe for permanent living. What appears to be paradise is actually one of the most dangerous places shaped by human history. Our planet is filled with incredible places, but sometimes the most beautiful locations can hide the greatest dangers. Which of these places surprised you the most? This is World Uncovered, exploring the hidden side of our world.